I welcome you all to today's experiment, part B, using multisim of Analog Circuits Lab 18 ECL 48. Today, the experiment we are going to conduct is precision half wave rectifier, experiment number 3A. Aim to simulate precision half wave rectifier. The precision rectifier, also known as a superdiode, is a configuration obtained with an operational amplifier in order to have a circuit behave like an ideal diode and rectifier. It is very useful for high precision signal processing. With the help of precision rectifier, the high precision signal processing can be done very easily. So, the components required for the precision half wave rectifier circuit are op amp 1 quantity, resistor 1 kilo ohm 2, diode 2, plus or minus 12 volt supply, fixed power supply 1, AC voltage for input 1, and CRO to see and calculate the output. So let's go for the circuit diagram. So this is the circuit diagram of precision half wave rectifier. In this circuit, 7 for 1, already said, it is a 8 pin IC. 2 is the inverting terminal, 3 is non-inverting, 7 and 4 are for VCC, and 6 is the output pin. So here, to inverting terminal, the input is given. So 1 kilo ohm resistor is connected, and already I said AC voltage of 1 volts peak to peak and 50 hertz is connected, and non-inverting terminal pin number 3 is connected to ground, and 4 is connected for negative VCC, and 7 is connected for plus VCC of 12 volts, and a feedback resistor of 1 kilo ohm is connected across pin number 2 to pin number 6 across the diode, and we use two diodes D1 and D2 across 2 to 6. So in this case, when the input is greater than 0, so when input is greater than 0, which means during positive off cycle, D1 is off and D2 is on, so the output become 0. One second, let me explain with the waveform. So this is the input signal, and this is the output of half wave rectifier. So during the positive off cycle, the D1 is off and D2 is on, so the output will be 0, and other end of the R2 is connected to virtual ground, and there is no current through the R2. This is first condition. During negative off cycle, when the input is less than 0, during negative off cycle, D1 is on and D2 is off, so the output will go through the pin number 6, and you will get the inverted waveform of the input. So we will get the rectified output at the negative cycle of the input. During positive, the output will be made 0. And the output is like the input with amplification of minus R2 by R1. So let's go for the simulation. Double click on multisim. Go to place. place component, select master database, select all groups and all family, type 741, place it, and I require two resistors R1 and R2, and I require diode. So I can use the diode rated. So I require two numbers, D1 and D2. After this, I require AC voltage. AC voltage or AC power, both are same. I will take AC voltage at the input side and ground. I will flip this one, and I'll connect pin number 3 to ground, and input pin number 2 to input, and diode resistor R2 are connected to pin number 2, and from pin number 6 it is connected to anode of the diode, and D2 diode 2 cathode is connected to pin number 6, and a feedback is connected across the output. So go to place. I require a supply VCC, sorry, DC power. So I require DC power for my op amp to conduct. So I have connected across this, and so the supply is connected for 7 and pin number 4. So this completes my circuit. So I will set my input for 1 volts peak to peak and 50 hertz. So 1 volt peak to peak and 50 hertz is set. So now I have to connect it for output. So select oscilloscope, connect it across here, and negative is connected to ground. So I'm connecting a second channel to see my input. So I'm just changing the color of the signals such that I can see my output with different colors. So this completes my circuit diagram. Now I will click on run. So pause it, stop the run, and make the scales at 1 volt. Channel B is AC and channel A is DC. So now you can see the output what we are getting. As I told previously, so during positive D1 is off, so I am getting 0, and during negative the D1 is on, so I am getting my output with inverting 180-degree inverted output. So this completes my precision half wave rectifier. Thank you.